Intro. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Tutorial Lore. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open and set up an Impact.com affiliate account. Make sure to watch the full video so you don't miss any steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Visit Impact.com. Go to Impact.com and click on Sign Up to create your affiliate account. Step 2. Choose Affiliate Sign Up. Select I'm a Creator Publisher to register as an affiliate marketer. Step 3. Enter your details. Fill in your basic information, including your name, email, and password. Step 4. Verify your email and set up profile. Check your inbox for a verification email. Click the link to activate your account and complete your profile by selecting your niche and promotional methods. Step 5. Apply to brands and start promoting. Browse through available affiliate programs. Apply to brands that fit your audience and start promoting their products with your unique affiliate links. Outro. And that's it. Now you know how to open and set up an Impact.com affiliate account. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tutorial Lore for more affiliate marketing tips. See you in the next one.